de eja eye adan ahodo okrumu ha no ene edwa ahodo no ayehu anopa me ka kire o se ye bedi nkomo pii bra behwa de wo Facebook na ha dwene
inside eti ya te ya so mo yese ja ta de pe ba na sa ji wo ti ya ni mo eti ya ra
nti e de ja ne bae
ba to start fi ya da na chinzi
nti na hwa na ma be se na ahye
nti mi mo bo sa bia be ya adwuma ni na
sa tam na wo hia kasa
ye se inside ya ti wo mo ka se ja to ha na ji bo mu na ye pie ti bra ya na ni ti
ba so bi empra ti na mo ka champion fo
ade ka champion fo so me bo aye na ye ntumi ya da ni ntumi ta mo ma ya ta ti
na eja to hada janto hada ndin de se
enti obehwe efie no se de ahyedwerebe ne ho nsem no areho na this is not the only one. In fact se wokọ atonsu eye bokuru ho no a and also de no atonsu eye bokro na areho ohwe adan no a efiri wesu na atiasi wem yese wutumi se gya no de enya aka om de wesu kra yesisi adan no so kra yasem yese eso wemu ana so wemu bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na obehu se de nyina yesitie eni mpanimfo obedi nkomo ede na ebeya ebeye very very necessary ehu hia pa na yewra David agbemabiasi ene de makai di ye pa sure your health safety and environmental professional Ashanti regional chairman for Safety Practitioners Association. Good morning
Minia
bibia bokode
nyame adom
da okropon asepa
meni aji
sure
de bia me ba studio ameka se ni gie hu ya so we ni gie hu ya okro bi hu ubisa PRO Ghana National Fire Service Ashanti region Mr. Ade onoti hono ye hie bia ni aji as yenya $40 billion bi cheze Saudi ye odi kan abra bo ho unya pressure unyare because what is written is written boni naka yo ya da wase se anopei odi ya beka Nhyira FM ho
right
de bia na America ne se edimpa ho hia ye ka Nhyira enya de ketua
sure
nti utie Nhyira FM Nhyira ba wa bra bom usua nioma pa usua nioma boni bia wa ha nioma pa nko a si de obi ho ayese face ka bejiska fa we ebi ni ha de usua nioma pa edi maye de tumpon ye di ye wa sasi so nyame Nhyira akokua
Nhyira wo super. Thank you very much DO2 Peter Adaya, Ashanti Regional PRO, Ghana National Fire Service. Boss, good morning.
Good morning, Abukwa.
Bibi Aboko.
You are there doing Bibi Aboko. No, I
in terms when your time, particularly with time, time in agro. I like that. Yamisha only my power, but my Sure. Wonderful.
So we'll do it.
Wonderful. First of all, Mami Shasie, Ashanti region yeja a ehihye bebrebe afi etwa mu no ene afi we ahyase no eho entoto no betimi aka se ekosoro ananse ebia yehu gya ne de but ebafem the situation currently compared to last year.
Nhyira for the opportunity. The production team and so I say. Right. Much here with TF4 no ashefo because it be free.
Yeah, Facebook sure.
Much here with TF4 no ashefo and no pay. Some will be say there. Asem kese. But make us say say you compare last year January to this year. In fact, fire Jano about from Kakra.
Oh, okay.
About from Kakra. Except say in this year, no, you have some high profile fires here. Ama a raise alarm.
Okay.
A concern and yenya was say ye can who boom it me a breno asset.
Right.
So January last year 2025.
Last year same period no.
Up to January ending last year.
Right.
By close of January last year, near 187 fires. And then 30th, we have just 1 day to end. Your friend is saying January 2026.
Yeah.
But as at a ne, I no pay. Me check records near recorded 125 fires.
Wow.
125 fires.
January you see me
January you see me. About it to last year. Last year then we 187.
Oh, I see.
Into shame cry it me even though nyamu echna na yebe January, you know. Still a form.
A day to go.
A form kakra. Just say yenya some high sanam kan yenya
high profile.
Be me ensembia a raise alarm. But in fact, oba ye ho aye de nka ye mpese jan be bakra. E ka ye nkwa nka jan makra. If you say jaba ko damage between across no. Between extensive between amani pasture mo nkwa. In fact, last year one fire nipa be insia.
Jaba ko pe.
Yes, ebusu aba akunipa be insia afiri mo nkwa.
Omu nyina ewui.
Omu nyina ewui because of one fire. And kwanso de uluzu a unsa ntimi nyapiem ejaba ako ejapade millions of dollars and then minua about $40 billion. In fact ejaba ako beti ama sa asika wa bono obeti ahwe ni ya nti ye de kaye nkwa de anka eja nka makra but enam human activities nti eja part of us.
Yeah.
Eja a part of us. Bronika as a fire is a good servant, but a bad master. Say who just so share. It me di jumane kwanso ne kwanso. Na eja enya yesu tumia. Ebesun yesumpa.
Yeah.
But eja nya yesu tumia e di oyende eneba.
Ye bede yenya sutumi, eja ne sutumi because said you working. Esi yenya ja ne sutumi na etimi ama e di asetena pa bre. Yenim announce some campaigns hold on so as akofem kakra, especially said the nanka institutions no near the bebre na frequent in schools. I say minim say funding there baako bi na mudie, but it's not as expected. See who say the jano a BPPA is almost getting to last year say you do we nuru na as a campaign mu nye de ni ade no. How would we actually be strong na yet me face ejasem ye pa a entimi ni yeso said you see in this way
medas Nhyira na campaign de egusupa nyese na mu baako eni ebi no pay bit hey ano pay enye in fact enye na me makasa do
but don't say na mu team no various districts no you say week bia no one your school back you see them over there. But Nancy ain't say first no na you who 10 times what.
But pa oko your Facebook page the stories no.
Most of
social media handles
your friends say na ya wotwitwa mo dwumadi de two way ne din na refi PRO
akana
there be back we there recently him say na or more call it for the comment be I think so on the regional minister.
Okay. Make I'm definitely.
Or tabu still
no, but to call a page.
And who say as a major fire say bano at that time no na who say education no and namasi and maybe a Facebook or mucha do no education in namasi because then sorry ni ade na me kai areas ameta kwa sorry anya hwe kra no e bi acha a month there ubenya one of the a year umbefa but it seems like as a say no e confirm kakra
media me catch us and call from yegusu aye yegusu aye so oko in fact on daily basis oko markets na ye wo ho on daily basis markets ni bi o cry set up a permanent post
okay
e wo ho oko schools mu sorry na yegusu aye mom radio stations information centers baby e benya opportunity ni bia yegusu aye education no na
we say be that Facebook we know your shops and house to house kakra bi
yes nti and I'm catch up mama baby a bit source a bit to check here free oko Facebook social media handles na e wo ho we do it and we post them there
but men can say the extent here can you see a very strong against it looking at the population enough because it's like other areas be making they are not being reached. How are you planning? Because who here?
So because of these fires are balancing, we are the strategies be
okay.
We'll start rolling them out very soon. I call every corner to be able to send the gospel according to fire safety at the amom. So there are a number of strategies. Ibini say you be partner with the information service department. You be use your movans no. Na there are times I normal collaborating at the Juma. This time round we are doing that again.
Okay.
Collaborating with them. You use your movans, no more PA systems also. They be call everywhere within the region. Aye Juma. Afi so yeah patrols. Yeah shemukina.
Right.
Inti enumere will be going around, especially the markets and the commercial centers, to patrol those areas. Say a JB quickly we can attend to it. We'll also have NIPA men the various markets and these commercial centers during the daytime to have one-on-one engagements with their friends and marketers. Na afi bibi koso na enya between aswano and so on. So some of these things and then yes in Yama it is a
but from more investigations, particularly in the Ashanti region, especially if you feel money markets, these two areas, from more investigations.
Investigations, they mostly are pointed to negligence.
Okay.
Me come ye pa domestic ones a lot of the time I need free kitchen hop no aduane
okay
ni eja hop they wear the naked lights edi juma and also ekofa jeni ebi edeba they we use electricity and also to make of janiba electrical faults it make of janiba into me bobo so ameti abobo bebre
dey be see anti dey abobo major ones na muku
okay so me pese me a little to say so for like ejano you see preliminary investigations are pointed to say no obi shinra
fita for no mo chairman bra confirm
so obi shinra into the entire negligence ne say ya kan ho asem in fact time and again say inra no former baller for no muntungu disposing of ma but say bibinti untimi fa mom na also rija tuma gina ho
na nshimie
pe bucket me nyina wo sa akwa pe nsuo egu bucket mu na fesi wo nchen ehye na ogina ho na ekobone a wetimi di nsuo no edum no
okay
but so rija ni tum na oja ho kwa de no ye so simple adi we away akofa oyele and to say several cars several shops ashe
wow
atonso bokro obi chi ade o chi ade
already at Facebook here cars yes
gas ewo ho apia fa ho asom Ashe market. Residence be bedrooms be 12. Markets no shops be 80. And then the content. Just because of obi negligence. Obi one man ni under ho kakra bi. Wo fie ni mu. O no aduane. Wo di aduane sisu. Wa gya ho.
The real figure as what the aduane sisu.
Wa gya ho akopɛ bi atena kra. Wa gya ho. In fact, e to de bi enya se wa sheda. Obi wo ana opɛ so multi taxi.
Oye we.
Oye we nti e to de bi na rate mi fi bi.
The aduane sisu wo si normal.
Wo si niema. Or attend to Accra or to niema. Obi on so a ohwe TV ene madaroma niema for abayi o hwe bi obeti nani no na eja ato ho na no kra eja BC around Angunaga area ha akra no emso soja eno oja o dem
right
by the time I realize you know shit so many bedrooms. Wow. So any da ho ehia mai nyina
right
and no never boy amaja no abafo
okay
na inchirecha ayen so yede man for abibia I can say fire safety a shared responsibility far for your family
yeah
timamufo amanfo so ma family wo so mo ye ene yede inchirecha na ma wo
yeah
e wo so mo susum no mdi dijuma
right
and never boy amaja no
me san ba wo su biem then we go on with technical advice in the kan but mamimisa yewura David Agbambiasi what your health safety and environmental professional and kasa safety practitioners association wona we your chairman
that's it
okay you say negligence ye ni na ho eni ade mo nso mo ye nchechire kakra wa around and then na ma sa ade ni AC because they be ye boja ho the rule in fact markets no better say PA systems ne kasa na no ameko Dubai ho see fortunately na me to atade bi wo nchen ho e de akoma me ma me gina ho na me te say man bi kasa say free fire service na obesre ne anwumre wu a wo ko bia hwe say wo yi no watum kama e na wo tum so a bo mode na wo gas ya fasi ba bia mframa efa yie mummie na momfa o kyerɛkyerɛ omo ba ni nyina achi no they will still be negligent there na cause mo na mo no mo interact directly there na cause
yo akoko ai be da sia do pay me bra PR akasa bebre no kure na yensu yehwehwe mu a yehu ni se there na di janeba yo sɛnea December na mekae no waka nyina sɛ obi oho a odi ade esija so ojaade ba efie no ohwe TV meka sɛ sande ne yensakra emfiri ho de ba pi
yeah mekae
na de me be so so nani sɛ ya yenhyehyeye ekoya fa so di eja edi juma
okay
so if I say o gas asa no asoko pot yen so ne dem e wo se wo so ne dem efie na bonti se na be ya wo bidie no mu no eye tuto no en konkoso entumago bim ana katizi bim na emfe jahye nye emba dainem ye woni pe bi o si me boje me pese obi hu de me no a on be sa manfo bu se ne gas asa on be sere no eti o ye krachi ni ba ne gas asa ofere no obobidie no mo dem ho pa
se ne su bi wo so anya o mu a won se ne ye dan ya ne ya kitchen no ahye inside ebi kro ho no ma wo free ne living room a wura kitchen side and I say ye na ba bi so ehye no bi kwa ho no mo kitchen no kra na frama no hwe tokuro kitwa bi ene eda no wo nti ono ko han dan no anase bi a edan japade bi edeja no akotena mu a okọ ye saa enete nti in such situations the corporate no wo use a eden na eso wo ye
akoko a ye ka safety ho asem ana obi hu duane a wonu a emfa so emfa bone bi ama
e ba bonten
I was so the pure bonten esan say ye wo fuels curtains nyoma bebre wo kitchen ho a sa wo bo bidie jana ebetumi afem o de ba bonten na unya botre 10 minutes bidie ne so a onu aweduane na kama echira onye zika na auto gas na wo yisu ne de edem iti bidie janso tumi di jahyehyɛ ne yɛ den
no mo yisu corporate no
eba now yemra jom Edena ijashishie bajum. Na commander kase, PRO kase, obi saw gas. Or chief and say bullfruit.
Yeah.
Ena gas near day, epifa. But I was here control measure immediately, say gas appear from what DNA. And Rame Bahan, you mentioned, say, I was here to meet training volunteers. I were all market centers. Fire, omuye be power in crashing, no. Say bushfires, you know. Omu training member, Mrantia war in grass, no. Say never say a fumu jane bar, omu kwamba as well then, aboho by. Inti or say ye church. On say a jebia Mrantia womb. You are branted be a jajum or a Kobe. Otom Mokoni Hona Metodia pa. Midru am se manager and any yaji. You were Mrantia or Moton near Mawu Jonia Mankwa. A bit on Nanchinami idea. I was say ye training or more safety professionals and a fire service. Ye boom near church on. A choir, ye fast use fire extinguishers. Na yes, answer Shani ma. Say, I was say Jebia shop bia top fire. Extinguisher no dey baako inti se line bia se training ni pa mienu miensa se adwa mansa jom ne dem ho ne shop wo ne jani free bar memembro eja to ha na intempa no
yeah
omo the extinguisher na dey akodum no
okay
ne extinguisher ye ne se eja efiase no se eja ne fiase wo de ye ho adwuma edum ntem enye eja asokumo ene de extinguisher eden edum no enti ye hia se ye be kyerɛkyerɛ eye emrantie ne mama wanyina ewo dwom school mu bebia efie mu nyina se ye training nipa ensori mu nyina ye training krofo se na bia bibia eja ne so ano na asa yare abo se yare ne chi won tempa ko hospital ye nya ho adu. Le mo de show oh we dey we dey ma mentwa we menum we ebekọ o de show ho a ebe kese na ekun
okay
nti eja no so se ye so anu ntem a ebe brasi
right
se yan so anu ntem a ebe se ade
right thank you mame mra honorable Daniel Otuo Echampon assembly member Afon Kwanta. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Ye didi ye ho nkomo. Na mo na mo ne adehye no wo. Ede nti no manso eden sa.
Medasi ma mencha empenimfo mbeto mo Minia no ancha wati force. Aso den de ye nipa ide. We den ya binya bi. Be den ya binya bi. Enso I think said the name Mercy Cosuno. I was it me yiri ho na enchire no eko pa na PRO kasa enchire ndo moye but say ade na nipa no be dey prevent sija ne ma wantimi anye aba de ne obitimi aye de aboa ma a control se be ya enko ye kese eno na atin say Papa so can Mr. David so can
yeah
eno na yenim
yeah
enti say e bapa ohia na de a ehia no ofa na odi pie onwene say ebitimi akọ the next one aha enti e wo say hon ye hwe ni yi pa say wantimi am prevent o amana ba na mum de no betimi da stop na ma enye kese enko echiri obidim eno na yinim eno die say o say empenifo hwe na kan na Mr. David can ba volunteers are train no more
yeah
which say we come market you need be kra asem ni see ya no oyi ne store mu ne ma penisika enya if you want to be the next one e second one na so yi ni dem tibon say the fourth one no so yi ni there essence be prevent no ha say be spread no enti a honey dey pa hwe say na man ni kone dia
e honey be here education but we assembly member some few days ago we imported mo eja to marketing ɛma ɛhɔ no mo na nya asɛm ketewa koraa uwura mu tietie no ano ɛde ne mai kɔ fa agya ne ban bibi wo ananka bia betumi asi ana kwan
sesia me no kasa ide me inyan hu ade de buy because obi an she dan nye na dwo so beka ade a isi ɛwɔ hɔ because me do ho na at the time my friend me do ho ne de na fire no akonenim kakra because we started by 10 o'clock me do by 10:30 as the konenim obi antimi enhwe na mpanimfo fire for no buy no so me nyanya report bi from so mu hu se BBC na ekose ye enti ebe yedin unless obi betimi anya kukudu na waka se bia asomasi ene bia na gya won ho anasa ha se ni hu se bibi efiri ba ha ene be ma ye hu and senka no kra no ye volunteers anasa bibi sa ujum ho a ene senka start no kombitimi ahwe nanka etimi anko nenim kesesa anso so
you support volunteer idea no
sure
ba senka volunteer bia nche mo assembly members you senka bia community ni de nka mbe volunteer firefo no makora no amo ankasa mbetimi organize education bi through the assembly na mo church na firefo no so ama munim de kese na nka mo kora no mo tumi a kire hotspots a o mbetumi aye education because mo na munim ba bi eja toto yie pa american owura eye ade ebi kura afi ni a transfer number ono ba he wa be commander on sheda nim potem be so ye mu duty as assembly members so sem betumi ama hotspots no mbe hu na ma pe volunteer no mo PCC am na mbe pa mo how do we do it
sure anything like I say no first na concentration in education say fire nema but say see hu say the system ni city no we den ya e be me naba okay going forward no I will say a side horn. Enti mejidi se ya fire bear mu no aba me lecturer one of recommendations I share ya de beba any anamo ebitu afa ho na ya boa ma etimi set up that volunteer system no na etimi aboa enti ya hwe education na ya so but still no ediba no but since going forward you very recommend it na set up sa na emmanuel community no se be ya a chance ya bitimi anya bi mama maboa am ya so ansa na opinion ne
na pamfo
na bedru yeah
but ye ti rumors bi say adwadifo ni bi ho a for instance wo market ni ade de ahihye nti wo some experience kakra ya ti say adwadifo ni bi ho a ebi kojeje besia ni ade rumors enenam and so when the time is due ni ade bi ho a no man shedam fa then nani pana sheda de no maybe aye ina obeti wom na aka foforo nyina why assembly member che these things are going on I mean when you say experience ni bi pen
matiti bi and just ache titi honi nyina na yesusu nyina na eti se central market me amakum market ni de the first time ija atoho am yehu aha and menti bibisa but say akwaji loan abunu sunde those days central market muna na ya big market ne sane man na titi ho aminyi ni se akwaji loan na ultimate 20 wahye na japade ana so ahya ma akoshi obi so de ye din komo na ye kyerɛkyerɛ ma ye nyanti ase se intimi prevent ne man na yenko ye ma tin se no mo beboa asin se ye behwe ho no
wow video ma memra wo so
akukwa
ye ko ni se ya volunteer de ne ya teawi but monso as sometimes manfo no so complain say ebi we agya no besi no delayance mo meduru ntem mo banso a afi na mo betwe ahoma no kra no ase de obi sane ne batoma chese ntie basa na manfo no bu afu na wo mo to ahye mo so ne ade eya na mo adwuma na sen pa na ti aye ntie ase no ai ma binum ba eto hye mo so na no me video bi na me rekra ho se na obi obedum ugya no na nti wo bu no no wo hwe wo no wansori a ise ugya no be no dey enti dia na ye course technically dia na mo adwuma no se na ti a mo ntie ase no because kite mbesi woni yes enzuo nim
me address this issue but volunteer dia na make can be
okay
volunteers no one of your major functions such as was here tete volunteers wɔ kuro nketewa mu.
Okay.
But oba kuro akɛseɛ mu markets, communities no deɛ yɛwɔ biribi a friend fire wardens.
Oh, okay.
Omi nipa ahyɛ ama wɔn nteteɛ ɛfa egya ho yɛ training wɔn a wɔn bɛyɛ first line of
action.
Yes. And fire service for Abem.
So we first response.
Yes.
Right.
We are part of first responders, no? But we first liner.
Okay.
BBC they will move in before the fire service gets there. Markets ni bi wa ye training depend bi e wo mu. Esa wo mu dijuma de boy. But honorable the kan no education de ye ntimi njai. E was e cost wa ye. Because nipa no si training volunteers e o market o a obefiri market o akoni fie ohia entiti ene bi okofie a watimi e de adi dwuma e wo fie ho baby o wo bia watimi de adi dwuma e wo baby o wo bia nti education de be koso aye but fire wardens ni another leg e wo say ye hwe even though ye will be we can still do more to help o question now beside no in fact ejumadi I was say about time a man for tea ejumadi no ase eye na wo mutimi e boy e metimi e support etimi e serve wo mu ye etimi sum mo mu ye udi kan o kan say e friend say kan ba bisi o na nsuo nim sabi o baby eja to bia no in fact ubekom na ebia onua bi obusuani bi wadamfo bi affected inti susu ampa se ye betena ho ahwe se eja to baabi na etimi a movie a whole fire tender ye di fu orgum as ye movie o ye movie a whole fire tender akodru ho se insuo nim ye ba behwe eja no ni akwa akope insuo aba eja to baabi a entwen o eja to baby a empchen. In fact, for science scratcher say depending on the condition, any idea eshe condition present, any idea eshe no within 5 minutes, eja betimi develop it into a fully grown fire and have a bit advanced stage. So ye movie car kakraka aye tofu aboarding gum emfa man bejina ho wa bra insuo a ye de eye major weapon e di djuma no ye fa ni free. Yenya etua hoka the water be wo hwe so a firefighting e wo so percentage e for firefighting ye fa ni free insu e be fa ni free ni emfa insu ni free ni atofu a begina ho say insu ni kam e bi insida but na de etie ni okay ka bia won capacity ka ni si o kakraka no ya che mba miensa baby ani partner baby e di mfi equipment e di djuma egu baby insu wo nti esi ono ufa ni chichimba miensa ufa ni chichim ye chem miensa afa ba kwa na ye nsuo
but before so beko sa eho no ye realize nati ona na ye penidi na na ye nya no na ye realize nati e kan bibi when Kumasi fire no e bae no atedum na controversies ne bae na ye exchanges ni ade no wo kire se ye se cars ni bia besi we nsuo nim e no wo kire se car bia e bia wakoye adwumadie bi wo baabi a wo twemu a ensuo nim kura na ye ka se je ehye wa ha ono ye first car waduru ho enti se ensuo nim kura se obegina scene ho na offer for other support na almost utimi eba enti ye hu se car ni si wo na ensuo nim a enya bu apayo oh enti na some kind na nya no kura sa
men say sa asem no
oh waka
but
yeah
per me training am wo any the experience am wo no
yeah
say your control rooms na dispatch
all right
me fan say KUST fire station e wo ho yi wo mo tender wo no eja to baby within their area ya soma no say on konkodum ja no on reported back say waba base and I say or you ready for another fire yen dispatch no but what did they make an say
okay
say jato baby fufra ye be dispatch the closest station e ben ho into there's no case say ono oni nsuo obekwa ko park wo atwen for fight car e wo nsuo there be but in chichemu na me de bro say car no any capacity the biggest tanker ye wo hanom no 3,000 gallons 3,000 gallons no ubie certain outlet at certain pressure by 10 minutes nsuo no enyia be run out intina ya advice say e was a hydrants no around
okay
na ka ba akokora be si ho a odi nsuo na ewo mu ekunja no na wa plug it into the hydrant na ebi nsu firi mu ego the tank no so no between nya constant supply of water no dey afight ja no but what them
get say hydrants ni be bad
hydrants no around oko develop board every 100 meters along major roads hydrants ho ba hanom no ebi ni ho honorable ni area honom no ye call ye no ye identify why hydrants ho ba na nra abo anetie ai muma intina o see ye clear anema no as ye timinya access to the hydrants
na say no so de eye momo supervisory where say mu play
meba ho
searching for them and clearing the area all the time. And yes,
you see, every quarter I go around to inspect hydrants around. Every quarter but I was saying, hydrants, no fire service. We are just the end users of it. We are just the end users of it. Yeah, Jumedia, the hydrants in the gym. Say, we only pick water from the hydrants. But because we want it to be in a state of readiness, every quarter I go around to inspect to know say had the juma had the enfa bibi see so and the tier womb ya cleaning so that every time be in a state of readiness.
Okay.
But a year open a market or a community hall. In so to a bit actually
right.
A man for deliberately at the in gum. Because most of the hydrants are around a pit type or form.
Okay.
In the Kwanka Krana or no, they want to put rubbish, stones, and then I say for a womb. To the extent, I say somewhere last year, you video be Techiman. Womo Obisto Henim. Wakata sokra concrete or sit down so intina also mu bu
me hu sa we no na maame no ne omo kopa am say obo fire officer no kra
na oko the hydrants are supposed to be provided by Ghana Water Company womo and also provide the hydrants no emaye na enyuanom assemblies en so it's say woman in charge of mantem development in tea. Also, so ensure say baby hydrants no yeah allocate ho and fam mobi. Honorable way the other woman in charge of
assembly
mantem.
Yeah.
Inti the woman amount for spaces to put their stores, the temporary structures, and their keka home. Inti yeah appeal to them say woman say baby etesa no woman giving it out.
Okay.
Na hono ma da ho abribia se ne betenya access to it. Menua ejato ba bia. You are supposed to call the fire service to inform us. Sebe, yenye magicians. There are times through technology, through BB station lookout. No station outlook etimi ehun se ejato ha ye call.
Okay.
But most often than not, I was afraid the boy amane.
Right.
I'm gonna jump the air king. You drew on a jana kesepa. So for like you drew on a jana kesepa.
Okay.
Even though it took us some few minutes. At Tonsu Bukru, it took us about 3 minutes to get there. But you drew on a jana kesepa. And a lot of the time now, Nippon tries or no beswano or tries or no be humbi. A jilin sema and so a fair fire service.
Okay.
I'm not jump crowded. The meeting said, Omo. Initially a man for who smoke but I don't say obi na edi djuma bia edi smoke neighbor. By the time I realize here na eja kese.
Okay.
Di e go be do na ahyepa understand say na treko baby a sebe omo ya ane no e wo no.
Okay.
And na ye cut the spread of fire. Ye contain fire no.
Okay.
Ansa etimi abre no ase edum no kra. So e was a man for nyanti ase eja to baby a friend. Fire stations then so. In fact, and then I catch you say, say your fire stations were around here.
Yeah.
But a may baby is
now your tenders and also to say.
Meba and also so. A may baby. Oko area be or craft fire station cra. Anyhow, into between one tender. Some districts. A be or soon be 2. A be soon be 3. A be soon districts be 4.
Yeah.
Konongo example. konongo fa attendant na e wo no esum konongo angasa esum bosume frɛ ho esum dwaso esum agogo tender ba akopɛ
nti so ko anaja ato ha
imagine
is wo ye ha de
bosume there were protocols around that eja to bosume frɛ ho the dispatching is on ko minya e kwan no enyo batuto mu akodu eja to bibi ti say agogo ana dwaso the protocol say be dispatch the nearest fire station. This case the nearest fire station no Edgeso.
From her to
so I just travel all the way. In fact, somewhere last year BBC says na Konongo car no out of commission na I say and a jato between Konongo and Edgeso. They dispatch Edgeso or travel over 40 kilometers.
Wow.
To get there. Udru aman for say watch it.
That would take more than an hour. About 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Hey.
Travel all the way. Udru also watch it into almost started so more attack you. But me the American say so susu kra say wacha. Man kwa man nya na juma.
Odumuwie na wo
no bibia. Wa report am painful. Say be on painful okruma. Wa report am na ya hewi. Painful etu ho anamo. But say wo attack no. O attack na ija no endum. E be ko so ahye.
Yeah.
Intima no kwan man ne na juma. Krom ha ye wo 43 metropolitan, municipal and district assemblies.
Right.
But me no kasa say ye wo 19 tenders are soon 43 no.
19 pe.
Ye tenders ye wonya ye be 26. Ebi asay 7 say me no kasa e wo developer faults ye ho.
This is 19 e bi
kasa and soon 43.
The whole Ashanti region.
The whole Ashanti region 19 tenders.
Wow.
Inti my use konongo ma me samra offenso ekwanso the tender e wo honom no e wo offenso Newtown sum offenso sum Akumadan all the way inti ehwe from Danase all the way to Akumadan afancho ehwe Barikese portion ehwe Buamai inti imagine
how
imagine
na
anyways ni ho kra station kra eni ho fa free santase kwa koka amiankwanta imuwa inti ni papa mu anke wo se wo fire stations be bre ti say the police stations yi
na say stations na bi ni say isi wo yi akoye white elephant aka anyway
inti o se nya cars ni so be bre
cars no dey at
o se nya cars ni be bre nso e wo ho in fact wo nya kra district bia wo nya kra nga wo se nya car ba ko at least some district no no hu say BBC e wo district wa some no but situation no entisa inti imagine say eja to baby e wo se dispatch free all the way from somewhere and ebeba no na de be say e wo se ahye wie enu ntine hia say wo se e ya ahwe yi
sure
na tutu ye niema yi eda ye ho so na eja na amakra
eba yeni mwa ne kese nyesa na beso
de wo ho ma keka agere yi menyu akoko de wo ho yi ehu e na ma keka agere yi nti e wo se ye nso ye nyina nso ye boa because sabi obi nipa ba ko ono nko akra betu ato fa attender de acha fa
me kai so hini bi to be recently wo
atuma ohini we nso
ahimfuni bia to be yes
amatu to be de amaya di juma esom nti obi anaku obi ejuma ku obi betimi aka omabom ato bi de amaye ebetia fire station de amaye ebetia to even this utility vehicles be crowd de amaye me etim be education
sure
na aboa nti mesre say wo ma nsa obi no emra meboa
right that's DO2 Peter Adai Ashanti Regional PRO Ghana National Fire Service era agwamabiasi
yes sir
unyi ni say safety ni environmental profession ni senka ye the fire fighting strategy ideas knowledge at the chassis we school mu na nka be te say core subject te say the omoye mathematics English ni ade na nka obi asua say the JD ani a enka wusua bi ebe say one term okra ananse bia wudru P6 a wubesua basic education ho no GHS3 wubesua bibi kakra fa ho ne bia SS3 wubewia a watua bibi kakra fa ho na university for no nso at least o last semester ananse o first semester wubesua bibi kakra fa ye the right education system ni mu anka ma ye nye so strong ma obi anya knowledge no because if you obekere ne maame ana obekere ne nua bi
yo akoko a ye beda ase adesua na na eguso no yeah, schools be here. Me back it 12 or 11 years. Now, maybe no, or Daddy, we learn pass. I said, what is pass? I see you pull. But the Adam say, you know how to put off? Yes, I know. Me bani so num send ye see no. Akwala 11 years old.
Right.
Akwa fast e use extinguisher no person ye den. Or chire me.
Okay.
Inti schools need be
Ashanti. Okay.
Na emum e was say ye shemu kina. And I say ye shemu din. Say free primary school kosi university no. Ye de kan ye first year addition.
Right.
Na ye ne practicals.
Right.
Me hu se ne menka no ne twi mu. Ye ma enkwala ne sua se ne. Aha se ne
aso mu hwe ye adenu se
Empre pigana no on say computer buy no. Yes you in school dem nko
yeah.
With the computer be see na obi sa akwara say dey ni o so ma de kro.
So dey inside ye no hu. Ti say the that screen so no assume no ye.
Eno ntina. O hwe fitafo mo magazine.
Yeah.
Omo ye mechanical engineer so. Ba o de obi o university o ye mechanical engineer ni hia nsunsuye den ewom.
Yeah.
Because magazine ni no we sua fite ejuma no free 12 years sa kosi 40 years ti bibie ni ka no mu a obisana ontumi nyema na onye den onchire
sure
but yeah yesua ne book mu no enkrata no doso inti practical no na haye
inti yesua na nke yesa de yensa so
practical inti yenchire nkwada no ekwa ebia ka mu die no na school na me ya tobi na fire for your modumano no
ma beche
nkwada bia try me hwe
yeah
oh bia fia de bia yesua se na yesi edumja
sure
yesi senior high sa ye junior high school sa ye university enye fed esa onum so obi university obewie na onum kaka wrong
yeah
I was say university kura before aboko first year ye kira o se na yesi sia kaka company bebre ye fawa ye ma driver me be manager me area manager northern sector me tena tamale 5 years me bre that time na me hu kaka
kesi wezu ntimi
me tie na me kosua ne by force afi yesi ye betesi ye ya ni asra head office wo ye ya ni asra ye bom pa se test no man maso because ye ka se me mintu a mintu
when me mintu so aka yi won
ye fama ka no so muno sia clutch dia ye be ma o ka Toyota Hilux muno na o de ko je fans de ja wo fie fo bo nsa wo ye clutch ni ya ma o ka e manager right nti me papa ne ka kire me se ka no inside ho no boko
yeah
ye de mawa bie ka no
yeah
bonnet na check nsio na check na ko na check
sani
o mani nyina o check wi ombo unse unum kan de ma untu ka no kra na de dia ma ena mi wi a ye de ye da me se enya de pa
banka unim twi anka ye simple
enti ade na unim ya se ho ehia ba se ye de ye djuma obetumi aye ne simple
right
ti se mo djuma yi wo sua ne yi mo ya na me ade we metumi aye ni but ye kire wa
obehunu ye
enti extinguisher no eno na ye first aid e di dumja
sure
e jana start ye no ya kire wo nti obetumi aye den aye enti o se ye kire ena yen sori mu nyina yen kire
right
yen nyuma mu yen kire bank kura o se kire o se bank manager hu se ne esi dumja onum problem ye o bank manager ne office na ya na aloki cashier obi o ha aloki automatic ure ma na aloku pie mbie na ejani free ho ba manager be dey dum no
or the password na ire mo no password
enti manager bank manager wo tie misua se ne esi dumja
right
ta ne bonedoso
okay
sua ye say jano wo bank wo secret room ho a ntempa
no watimi edu
the Bank of Ghana be esika ne gu ye fro strong room omo ye dwuma o se mo sua se ne esi dum ja with extinguisher enti mo gina sika no ho na se jano ye pia ntempa nya fe na mo be ha mo fire mra fire baba no mo wu fire service mra strong room no na mo ni sika ni na eden ahye enti obie
ya sure
Medasi.
Benzo Medasi pa Mr. David Agbemabiasi, Health and Safety Environmental Professional, Ashanti Regional Chairman, Safety Practitioners Association. Honorable, Afon Kwanta Assembly Member. He say then na wo ka kire timamufo, eja no ho asem no, especially Ashanti region ha.
Said ye kan ni nyina akoya education na ye ka ho asem no.
Yeah.
Obia hwe said you be see aye ne nema yi a no obema na adwuna kɔ ma soja ana mi soja memeni akɔ ho a nke beboa na Pierre ka bibi omu nema na omu wono sa Ashanti region 43 districts nyina na ye 19 aban abakɔ ne aban wo so nyina na emwa amumwa
ba assemblies no so IGF income betimi kakra na mo to sukura enu 5 years na sa assembly
nyina aka aban na America no ni nyina aka ho
okay
ni nyina aka ho enti e wo se ye me adwene ko
okay
se ye nipa ye wo man nim ne ye manfo no ye dan ya sa na ma beba enti de ne ye de aboa Mr. Ade ne office ne mpanifo ma omuso timi aboa ye because nipa na sabiu ejane beto omumu no omo ane ko gigiska firi omo so sade ball man no ho bra e de bo assembly no ho bra enti e wo se ye yire ye ho no ye bo awo because se omo ba sin no na ohwe nema amode ba ne car no ni nema hu se enye omo pe but memfo ni bi nsuso nheda anti ase se o ba wa che ye frɛ mo ma che education ni nyina bekoso still eja to ba bia ono na wo ho no kra no be fire service no chief of from be safre na assembly member and be free obi fufro se ja 23 be free radio station set free until that time na e ko ni nyina no
na how
na e kasi to mo be nya na on be ba no na e ko na nim bebre until ihia se be education but e was aban so ewrem na e boa because omo nema na mo de ye adwuma no ebi aye dada ebi susu ahode no wo fom I was say ye ne aban kasa na assembly no susu ye hye dadi hu nkomo at our meetings no ne hu se omo so hia mmoa na ye hwe kwan be fa so e be boa mama omo dwumadi na ko because me nya sure say omo pe
19 there 19 days there no
be from Santasu to Anwa Kwanta na sa stretch no
a lot
BBC a obede na wakoho akoboa enti sa ne mana ye lucky ni nyina aka ho enti ye mmoa wo mo na omutimi so mmoa ye na temamfo so ye hwe ho yie because a do stage bi a hard dwene
right me da CP Honorable Daniel Otuwe Champo Assembly Member for Afon Kwanta Dio finally a pesi e den na be ka hwe adehye na afiyenko
me da see Nhyira a pesi around this time BBI dry BBI dry nti eja betimi aba ebanso within the shortest possible time ebetimi ayekese because insu e wa de mu no a dry nti eja toma na shik e de ko nti ending kan no em say ne no whether I yetimi aba out pa I say ahwe yenya ahwe
sure
yenya ahwe
emi eni na ho so
ema eni en na ho right na bibia bia no in fact so di ja di juma ni wie dum jani ya answer we free ho nti menya se o multitask di juma ni wie dum ja bia se eduan na ade no a o de gas na no a no eduan no dum ni wie answer we free ho di enso a dum no fanso fo no chon mani nu men fanso mpete so na enya honko inframa fire be sanso na akofa oyende ediaba electricity nzo mfendi juma ne kwanso obi wo ho a rice cooker ya si emfa no amo no odbebo ampesie or the bear quine. In fact, the other rice cooker be here no. Wa kura hu a e be Jones.
Right.
But you see em friend ni juma we. Make sure say juma na e na odbedi.
Okay.
U pia dundum mfidie.
Right.
There was a tutu frame no, tutu frame no. The obetun jersey so no. To say fridge ni freezer no. Make sure so one man protection.
Okay.
Stabilizer, fridge guard. Na protect no. Because hanum no say light off. Na e bar. And one day the banner ano eden.
Yeah.
It is one man protection e bar e jabe fem.
Right.
Na ball na ye hye no basa no ye be sere. Ye ntwa so.
Right.
Enye markets nko a. Enye se bi enuanom mo ye provision shops nko a. Efie kura ye do ho. Ye do fia ye den ye bo enru ana no e wo a na di ja tum
ye kura ne se nka betu amana kakra wo wo kata so kama nti wudi ja no ayi ne gumu anu ahye no wa amananim
na wa ni mu kura no gina ho
na enhimwie
as well free nti eniama na de bebre but ye be sere the watchword ne say ye take precautions
sure
na emo ayi nyina ye mpese jan be back
sure
because ade a wa bre nya no in fact within 5 minutes ni ya between ashiro enam agenti
right
but yenye na ejane banso a fire service wo ye ho but modern reach out to us for yentem between enya emergency numbers ne so 050 500
500
14
15 say sisu bi
050
500
500
14
15. Another one will meet me the account 033220 22 another 22 1 me sense is be 03220 22 another 22 1 we emergency numbers are obetia free e wo so na dispatch the nearest station ababa ye omwa but men free ni so agro in fact a lot of francos baby this will agro men free ni so agro free abra emergency sia e wo se eba be ye omwa eja to baby accident silipa kem obi ato amnem obi akasoro ai wo se ekoyi no obi in fact
ni nyina mo ya
no modern are free na ye ready say be sumo man no ye ready say ye de in fact ye nkwa kura e be to ho ama amanfo nti bo modern free na ye mra me yo mo
all right ye da CP do2 nyame nhwa mo bebre mpanimfo e wo mo time mo spend e na no pay wo ha to educate us nyame nhwa mo 104.5 abusua